Neha, welcome to my channel Pooja Loves Drama. So today I'm going to talk about some costume historical Chinese drama. I know some of you don't like this genre, but still I'm going to tell you because this is my favorite genre and I know some of you like me as well. So I'm going to talk about these dramas. Some of the dramas, like one drama is my most favorite in all of them. That is Blossoms in Adversity. I really like this drama. The cast, the storyline, their genre, like everything is so much good about this drama and I can't get over them. Like I watched maybe 29 episodes that is out on Yoku app. I watched all of them and there will be 40 episodes total of this drama. So I really love the storyline because you are gonna see there is one girl, Haji, her family, like her family, all the men got exiled in her family outside the city, and now there are old ladies and she wants to do something like she was a person who is very cold to everyone, who don't involve in family thing and all, but now she is the one who took charge of all the things, who became a business person, and now she is the head of that family. She managed all the issues, all the things in her family, and like I really like her character, her personality in this drama. Like she is very strongest girl in this drama. And there is another person, that is Gu Yanxi, who is the charge of that exile thing, like who is the commander of security bureau and who is the person who did all the things, like who took all the men in her family and all the process he did. But he have another personality also, that is Mr. Yan, who became the friend of Haji. So there are two personality of him, but she knows one personality, that is Mr. Yan. But after some time he will tell her all the things, and still they are dating, like they love each other a lot. So there are some things you will see about their love story, about her family, about his family, because his uncle is the emperor and his mother got died in a fire that was killed by his father. So his father also get killed by his uncle, that is emperor. And now that emperor is like, he's obsessed with our Gu Yanxi. He think him as his own son, and all the things you will see. Now after 30 episodes, the palace will involved in the storyline because our Haji will involved in palace things. So this is gonna be really amazing and I really like this drama. It's highly recommended for you and super worth it to watch. I really like historical costume Chinese drama, yaar. And one thing I want to say, like for historical costume Chinese dramas, like the storyline explanation is little bit difficult because it's not easy to explain all these things. There are 40-60 episodes and it's not easy to explain. But yeah, I am going to tell you some important gossips so you can understand the storylines and their emotions, the cast, the storyline, like everything. So our second drama is In Blossoms. I recently finished this drama. This drama is also amazing and super worth it to watch. The storyline, like if you love to watch dramas, like you have to solve some cases, some mystery and also romance comedy, then you are gonna love this drama. There are love triangles, there are friendship, like loads of things you will see. So the storyline starts with Yang Saiwei and Pan Yue, who were childhood friends, and there was a promise between them about their marriage. But something happened about the family of Yang Saiwei, like her mother and father got died, like they were killed by someone, and she got homeless. She, like now Pan Yue find her after a lot of years, so he wants to marry her. But there is another girl, that is Shangji, who is the sister of a friend of Pan Yue, who also wants to marry Pan Yue. So now she did one thing, she changed her face with Yang Saiwei face, and at the night of marriage she got killed. It means our Shangji got killed in the face of Yang Saiwei. Now everyone thought Yang Saiwei got killed, but the real person who got killed was Shangji. And now there is Shangji, that is like Yang Saiwei, who have the face of Shangji, who will start living with Pan Yue because she thought Pan Yue killed her in her marriage night, so she wants to clear all this mystery. And that's how they will start, like because he will become magistrate and she will help him to solve the cases and all these things. Also they will solve the mystery together, like they will start working together on the cases about their family also, and about like there are lots of things you will see. The end of this drama was also good, and it will interesting, like there not a single boring moment you can say, because everything was so much good in this drama. Also there are some love triangles you will see, some mystery, some friendship, like lots of things you are gonna see. But the main thing is that about the death of her parents. Yang Saway parents got killed by someone, so she wants to find the mystery of their death, also her death, it means Shangji death. So they will find cases by cases, and at the end they will find the real mystery, real mastermind behind all these things. So it's really good. This drama is also highly recommended for you. So our next drama is Burning Flames. I can't say this drama is so much good, you have to watch this drama and all these things, but still this drama also have decent storyline, like it's good. Like it's about the fight between mortal and immortal world. There is one person, Wukong, who is going to become the god of war, who is the key to solve all this mystery, because there was person in immortal world who wants to control every single thing in whole world, immortal portal, all the world. So our Wukong wants to kill him. So there is journey about him, how he will get success in all these things. And also there is one person, that is Bai Sai, who will, like they will love each other, and she will help him in everything. So you are gonna see all of the things in this drama, but still the storyline was good, the character was good. So this drama is also good to watch if you love to watch dramas like this, like full of fight. There will be not that much rom-com, but still I didn't like the ending. Like I can say I didn't like the ending of this drama, but still you can watch this drama if you love to watch costume historical Chinese drama.